I'm on my way down to the reading room, the TTIP reading room, where I'm going to get to view 3 different consolidated texts. This is their idea of democratic oversight. The texts I'm going to view, they have already been decided on by the United States and by the European Union, and now I get a chance to read them. And it's important to point out that all I do is get a chance to read them. I get a pen with paper that they provide me with, and I have to take down the details. I'm not allowed to bring in a camera to photograph the documents. I'm not allowed to bring in a tape recorder to record reading them out. All I'm allowed to do is bring in a pen and to write it down. Now, anyone who's gone in there before, those that I've talked to, they've said they come out none the wiser. Who knows? This is really just a test run, and we'll be going in again and again over the next few weeks on issues to do with agriculture and many other areas. So, I'll take now. Hi, how are you?
Hello.
What exactly is the procedure?
You must leave your mobile telephones and electronic devices in the cupboard that is there.
I must leave it where?
In the cupboard. I'm going to come.
Oh, I must leave these in a cupboard.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
all right.
Come with me. You keep your mobile telephone and electronic devices.
Are you going to lock it in here?
Yes, it's going to be locked during the consultation. I will remain with you during all the period of the consultation.
You will remain with me during all the period of the consultation?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
There is still one little document that you should sign before you come in. Is the security briefing form. We have not yet received it from you. If you don't mind,
No, Grant, yeah. Well, I do mind, but a bit like if someone had kidnapped my children, they put a form in front of me and said, sign it or you'll never see your children again. I've been told, sign this form or no MEP will ever see these documents again. That's what gangsters do, the mafia does. But then again, it is a bit like the mafia, isn't it? Anyway.
it's the instructions we have.
Oh, I fully understand. And thank you for cooperating in this, because this is a very important exercise for democracy, so that people actually know how this works.
Yeah.
I am now signing to say I will not tell the people who elected me in detail what's in this room.
It's here on your left. Just come with me very quickly because otherwise the alarm will.
I have to do it quickly
Well,
because
otherwise the alarm is going to.
the alarm is going to go off. And what happens if the alarm goes off?
If the alarm rings,
Yeah?
the security comes.
And the security comes. And what happens if the security comes?
They want to know why the alarm rings.
Okay, all right.
So we must go into the room.
We have to go in very quickly,
Yes.
in case anyone who voted for me might see something they're not meant to see. It's very interesting.
Please.
How could you not want to be part of this union? Wouldn't you be crazy not to be? I've got another solemn, it seems like a disgusting use of the word solemn, but a solemn declaration to sign. And as I explained earlier, I can only take handwritten notes. But it appears now that if I write down the documents verbatim, and then I make their contents known verbatim, I will potentially prevent any other MEP ever seeing these documents again. Now, I've asked for clarification because I understood, flawed and all as it was, that I could go in with my pencil, as Bertie Ahern called it, and I could write the whole thing down. But I am not allowed to accurately write it down. So, as an MEP, I'm being asked to do a dodgy job of transcribing this, and then that'll be okay. I've also been told that I can tell it in my own words. Well, if I choose that my own words be identical to the words on these, I'll have broken some law. Welcome to the European Union. Welcome to the heart of Europe. We're at the heart of Europe now.